Hi everyone, today we're going to be taking a look at what comes in the box with the Radenso XP radar detector. The first thing that you see when you open the box is a thank you for choosing Radenso card. If you have any questions or concerns about your radar detector, give us a call or contact us with the email link included on this card. Next you have the Radenso XP traveling case. This is a convenient case that protects your radar detector no matter where you take it. Also included in the box is a high-quality suction cup mount. This mount clips into the Radenso XP through the slot in the front and locks in. To remove the mount, depress this button here while pulling the mount out from the front. This is the Radenso XP coiled power cord. We've also included a convenient USB cable that allows you to plug right into the detector and perform firmware updates from home. Finally, we've included an extra fuse as well as 3M Velcro, which makes mounting your radar detector easy.